Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down. Then you click here on notification settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just waiting to open video. Then you click here on email updates. When you click on email updates, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you come here to project recommendations for our top challenge, and you come here to send recommendations. If I qualify here as top Upwork challenge, you click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's been enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.